Reference mode lets you click on any post across LinkedIn and ask LIA questions about it. When you reference a post, LIA has full context, so you can ask for a summary, key points, suggested comments, or anything else. To turn reference mode on, click the paperclip icon in the chatbot menu. Note that reference mode is available for pro users only, so make sure you've upgraded. Once reference mode is enabled, hovering over any post shows a sleek overlay. Clicking the post references it directly into the chatbot. When a post is referenced, you'll see a blue card inside the chat showing its content. From there, you can use the quick suggestions to instantly ask LIA something about the post. And as you can see, LIA clearly has context of the post. Another helpful detail: the reference content always stays visible in the chat, and clicking on it takes you back to the original LinkedIn post. Now, let me demonstrate two powerful ways you can use reference mode: mimicking someone else's style to create a similar post of your own, understanding posts in other languages by translating or simplifying them. I'll switch to a new tab with a post I want to mimic. This one is written by Alinette Cassiano. It's well structured, tells a powerful story, and delivers a strong impact. The kind of post that always performs well on LinkedIn. Let's reference it and ask LIA to write something similar about softwarepreneurship. And boom, here we have a new, well-crafted post that mirrors the style, flow, and structure of the original. Honestly, it's so good it makes me want to read it out loud. Let's do it. But before that, let me show you another powerful use case of reference mode: understanding posts written in a language we don't understand. I'll switch to a new tab with a post written in Amharic, a language from Ethiopia. At first glance, we have no idea what it says. It could be anything. So let's reference it and ask LIA to rewrite it in plain English. And there we have it, a clear, readable version of the original story. Turns out, it's a personal life story. Reference mode is truly powerful.